Welcome to Edutainment. Today we are going to discuss singular and plural. Students, as we know that noun are the names of person, place, animal or thing. When we talk about one of something, we use the singular form. But when we talk about more than one, we use the plural form. For example, here is a man, or you can say a person. But when we talk about more than one person, a man and a child, we used to say people. A place, more than one place, we call it places. Singular is book, plural is books. Cat, cats. There are some rules for changing singular noun into plural form. Rule number 1. Add s to most of the word. If a noun ends in a vowel plus consonant or it produces just a regular sound, we usually just add s. Here are some examples. Car, cars. You can see the word car, it ends in vowel plus consonant. A is a vowel and R is a consonant. Let's have some more examples. Fan, fans. Pot, pots. Bottle, bottles. Rule number 2. Add es to nouns ending in specific consonant sounds. Here, we are considering the sound. If a noun ends in a whizzing or buzzing sound like s, x, z, ch, sh, we add es to make it easier to say. For example, brush, brushes. Watch, watches. Box, boxes. Branch, branches. Rule number 3. Noun ending in a consonant plus y. If the word ends in a consonant plus y, we drop the y and add ies. For example, party, parties. Lady, ladies. Baby, babies. Rule number 4. Noun ending in a vowel plus y. If a word ends in vowel like a, e, I, o, u plus y, we just add s for making plural. Here are some examples. Monkey, monkeys. Key, keys. Boy, boys. Now you can see the difference between two rules. When a word ends in consonant plus y, we drop the y and add ies. But when a word ends in vowel plus y, we just add s and make it plural. Irregular plural, these are the special words which do not follow any of the above rules. Some examples are man, men. There is only a difference of spelling. Child, children. Mouse, mice. Let's do some practice of today's topic. Comprehension quiz, true and false. A singular noun always ends in s. Is it true? No, it's not. There is both singular and plural form. Yes, it is. The word toys is the correct plural of toy. No, it's false. Because the word toy ends in vowel plus y, so we just add s for making it plural. We add es to nouns ending in sh to make them plural. It's true. Furniture is uncountable noun and has no plural form. Means it remains same. Yes, it is true. Multiple choice question. What is the plural of box? Here are some options, and the correct spelling of its plural is boxes, boxes. Number 2 is, which of the following is an irregular plural form? Here are the options, and the correct answer is men. Number 3, which word does not change in its plural form? Here are the options, and the answer is sheep, because the word sheep remains same for singular and plural. Which noun is uncountable? These are the options, and the answer is information. And the last is choose the correct sentence. And the answer is the mice ran under the cable. Now it's your turn. Let's have some activity yourself and write your answer in the comment section. Read each statement carefully and decide whether is it true or false. The word children is singular noun. Cat is plural of cats. Most singular nouns become plural by adding s at the end. The plural of food is tea. Some nouns have the same form in singular and plural like sheep. Boxes is the plural of box. Irregular plurals do not follow the normal s or es rules. Feet is a singular form of foot. Women is the plural of woman. Let's recapitulate the topic: singular and plural noun. Singular means one, like cat. Box. Plural means more than one, like cats, boxes. Rules for plural formation: add s, dog, dogs. Add es, box, boxes. Change y to ies, baby, babies. Add s to y, boy, boys. Irregular forms: men, men. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the bell icon to stay connected with us. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video with a new topic.